Hi friends, we have a 2003 Toyota Prius Hybrid Synergy Drive car. This car, we are going to make some maintenance on its battery, its hybrid battery. As you know, in hybrid cars there is a battery which is running this drive or this motor. Here is the battery. This is the battery bank which is behind the rear seat. Here is the small battery 12 volt, and here is the brake controller. A few accessories are run by this battery, and this is the main battery. Here is what is a coupler. You know, this is just a coupler connector. This is for the safety purpose, they have fit it in. We are going to remove this. For removal of the battery, we have to remove a few bolts. These are bolts we have to open, and then after opening these bolts we can be able to remove this battery from. I have another video also on this particular car. I mean on some other cars of the same type. I will share that video also with you sometimes. In that video also I have given a lot of detail. You must have to subscribe my channel, press on bell icon, so then you will get notifications on each upload. Here is the battery we have removed from the car. So we are going to open this battery bank. This is from Toyota. As you can see, this is the hybrid battery, and all the bolts which are for the shielding they have provided over here. I will remove these bolts. This is one of our very nice friend, Mr. Dr. Virtue. Dr. Virtue is opening all the bolts. He is doing surgeries, but at the moment he is making surgery on this battery also. This is my work, but he is doing because he has some keen interest for this. After opening all the bolts, we are going to remove this shielding from the battery. We will put it aside, and here are some 28 cells, 28 battery cells. You can see these all are connected in series, and they are making 250 volts. In another video I have given complete detail of the testing and removal of the cells also. Even here are the two bus bars which are giving 250 volts to the vehicle. You will have to put the coupler, and then you will be able to check the voltage, but for the safety this coupler has been removed. Here are the two pipes which are taking fumes and other gases from the battery, and a vent is connected to it. Here are the sensor wires. These wires are sensing temperature for the batteries. All the battery's temperature is coming through this wire, and this wire is connected to the computer. Here are the bus bars. Here these bus bars are connected. These are connecting batteries together, plus and minus. These are the bus bars, and this side also has bus bars. So these two sides have bus bars. These are coupling or connecting batteries together. Again I'm telling. So I will show you these bus bars while making the battery side, so then you will be able to see. And these bus bars we will remove and open, because these bus bars are going defective. These plastic covers we will remove from. These are just protecting the bus bars from short circuiting. From close view you can see these have become rusty, and the color is also black. So this maintenance is a must. After a certain time you must have to do maintenance on these batteries. Otherwise, if you will not do maintenance, so these batteries will become defective. The whole bank will become defective, because only the bus bars went defective, and there will be no more current flow. So this is, and also you have to take care with the bus bars. You must not have to put too much tightening pressure while tightening or opening these nuts. These are 8 millimeters, so all 28 or 27 bus bars we will remove, and we will clean with some brake cleaner or some carb cleaner or whatever, the sandpaper or some other. So these wires, you can see these wires are going to computer. These are for the voltage sensing. These wires are going to its computer. The computer is located over here. You can see this is the computer, and to this computer all these wires are terminated, and the computer is looking for the voltage, and then this computer is communicating with the main computer. This wire is going to the main bus bar, this orange wire. this is going to the main bus bar, because these two wires, which is one is this one and the other is this one, these two wires are plus and minus. They are going to give 250 volt to the vehicle system. This is what is the system I explained in front of you. We will remove all the bus bars, we will clean. I will show each and everything in this video. If you will watch this video carefully, you will be able to do this maintenance. There is acid and some chemicals which are coming towards these bus bars and bolts, nuts. So these are going defective. After a year you must have to have this maintenance. Otherwise, if you will not make maintenance, so you will have bad battery. You will replace the good battery even with a defective bus bars. So if you will be doing this maintenance after a certain time, like after a year, you will take good life from these battery packs. These battery packs are not cheaper. These are not inexpensive. They are very, very much expensive. Some $10,000 or maybe $7,000, something like this, you will be able to purchase one battery bank, a new one, and a second hand one you will be able to get one for $1,000 or $2,000. So this is a must that you have to have maintenance on these batteries. I will show you the bus bars while I will bring off these bus bars out of the batteries. Hope people will understand who are working, who will do work on their batteries. Easily they will work with the help of this tutorial or this guide. But this is a must that you people must watch complete video. If you people are not watching complete video and you are just skipping, then it will be difficult for you to understand the whole process of the battery repair. Now here you can see these bus bars we brought out of the battery. This green or blue color rust you can see, and this black also. This is what is copper sulfate. These are copper bus bars, pure copper bus bars. So in the inside there are red color, copper. So this is carb cleaner. So with the help of carb cleaner, I will pour some quantity on these bus bars. So I will keep these bus bars to soak the brake fluid, the carburetor fluid, and I will also spray some fluid on the battery terminals. Then later on I will bring these bus bars. I will clean them with the help of sandpaper also. I will not show the process, but this is really easy, that we have to clean these bus bars, and hopefully while we will clean these bus bars, and then later on I will lubricate also. These are nickel metal hydride batteries. These are same like what the batteries are there in your cell phone. Such batteries are 28, and some cars they could be 24 also. So these 28 batteries, they are running your vehicle with a synergy drive. So here you can see all the bus bars we cleaned from one side. These are very, very much shiny now. These nuts also we cleaned, because everywhere there was rust. Here also I cleaned the terminals. Also these other terminals I cleaned. Now here we have dielectric grease. This dielectric grease is some special kind of grease. Just we will put little quantity on the terminals, so then we will keep these terminals moist or lubricated, so then this will not create rust once again. This way we will put them back. So this process is very straightforward and easy. There are two locks they have given. So while we press these terminals, those will be pressed inside. This small terminal, you can see this will come on the stud, and with the help of nut we will tie it. Here is a lock, and here is some recess in the plastic. So this way you will fix all the bus bars, and this way we will complete our work. And the other side also we will make maintenance on. So later while we will complete both sides, so this battery will be prepared, and then it will be ready to go once again. So hopefully you people learned something from this video. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press on bell and press on all, so then you will get notifications